Hola, my cash cow family. Anyway, guys, in today's video, like the thumbnail stated, I'm going to show you guys a Shopify print-on-demand store that I started. I didn't start it until May of this year, but as the thumbnail stated, I've done over $40,000 in revenue, and I just want to show you guys the website, the Shopify store, print-on-demand store, and just some results that I've gotten from Facebook ads, if you can believe that. I actually kind of like Facebook. I didn't like them 3 days ago, or the last 3 days, but the store has been doing wonderful, and I created a design that went viral. This one design, this one print-on-demand product, has done close to $12,000 in sales, which is just asinine. But anyway, guys, I hope you've all been well. I've been extremely well. Just still living here in Puerto Aventuras, Mexico. I've got a girlfriend now. I'll talk about that maybe down the road. But I do want to make this a quick video. And my goal always is to make a short video for you guys. But I'll flip it around here and just tell you guys what's been going on with the store, with my ads, and how I market it, and all that good stuff. So I'll flip it around and we'll get this party started. Okay, let's see here. Let's see. All right, guys. So basically, I 2 years ago, when I first got here to Mexico in 2023, I had made a Shopify print-on-demand website store. I did it as a case study to show you guys that you could make money. Well, that store ended up doing like $250,000. I sold the store, which was tittiesgolf.co. I sold that for mid-high figures, or six figures, whatever, or maybe five figures. I'm not going to tell you guys what I sold it for, but it was a substantial amount of money. So I was just kind of laying low here, and obviously going to the gym, 5 or 6 days a week, et cetera, et cetera. But I told you guys, and I've been telling you, I think for, 8 months or so, that I was going to make a new Shopify case study for you guys. And so this is what this is, guys. I think it is still one of the best side hustles using Shopify and print on demand. And speaking of Shopify, guys, as always, there'll be a link, the first link in the description and the pinned comment, where you can start your own Shopify store for, it's $1 a month for 3 months. So $3, and you have 3 months to build it. And with AI and the AI that Shopify now has, and with ChatGPT, which I use a lot for my designs, you guys have absolutely no freaking excuses. No excuses at all. You can start this for well under $100. In my opinion, you could start it for $50. But anyway, let me show you what I've created, the new store, and I'll shut up. So let's go to Shopify right about now. So this is today, as you can see right here, and it is, let me just refresh this real quick. Now the last 3 days, as I stated, I made like $5 one day, $6 the next day, blah, blah, blah. And I didn't do anything to the ads. Not that I'm aware of, anyway. It's one of the things I hate, but I have to tell you guys that I was going to give up on this store because I was running Google ads for it, and I saw some success. I think I maybe had 90 purchases when I was using Google ads. But so I moved over to Facebook, and I create these ads myself, guys. And trust me, I am no rocket scientist, as I always state. But the difference of why I make money and you don't online is because you guys don't do anything. You just have to start. And speaking of that, I'm building my new girlfriend, who is amazing, by the way. I am building her a store, a Shopify print-on-demand store in the golf niche, but totally focused on women. And I'll be making videos about that and her process and showing her, everything that I show you guys. I'm going to be showing her, and hopefully we'll have another case study like this one. This is my third case study Shopify video, by the way. I sold 4 years ago. I had a golf site around the caddy niche. I sold that for like $12,000 or something like that. But guys, the difference between me and you is you don't do anything. You sit around and make excuses, and I'm not saying I don't make excuses myself, because I'm very good at that. But if I could just say one thing, just try. Just try to do what I'm showing you here. And this, again, I'm not a rocket scientist. I just get in and I watch YouTube videos like you do, like you're watching this one, to learn myself, because I don't know much about Facebook ads. You would think that I did, because I've had over 750 orders in the last 3 months with this Shopify store, this print-on-demand store. So anyway, I'll shut up again. And if you're new to this channel, please like, comment, and subscribe and all that stuff, guys. It helps me immensely. Sorry, guys, I get emotional because I've really wanted to grow this channel, and I haven't been putting forth the effort, and I love making videos. I've really struggled with, I feel like I'm not providing value, but like my girlfriend said, she's like, and her name's Amy, by the way. Amy, she always says, and I don't know if you heard that, but that's a sale right there. As we speak live. She said, "Are you kidding me? Nobody knows how to do what you're doing. Absolutely nobody." So I'm going to try YouTube again, guys. And I know I've said that so many freaking times, and I'm sick of hearing it from myself. But I am going to be making more video, guys, because I want to help. If I'm able to just help one of you make money online and quit your job, etc., it would mean the freaking world to me. So, and if you have watched any of my other videos where I've helped you, let me know in the comments down below, guys. And also just let me know in the comments down below any questions you might have revolving around print-on-demand and Shopify. And I make money with affiliate marketing and stuff like that. But this has been my focus for the last 2 years, is building out Shopify stores and print-on-demand stores. So anyway, sorry, I was not planning on getting emotional there. But anyway, so today, let's refresh this now that we just got a sale. So we were at $292.09. Let's refresh it. So now, as you can see, we're at $333.53. And obviously, guys, that's revenue. That's not profit. But my profit last month or this month is going to be like $7,000 in pure profit. So again, find a good niche, guys. I talk about that, but there's so many good niches. If you guys want ideas, leave a comment down below, and I will respond back with maybe some niche ideas for you, or tell me your experience, or what you're passionate about, and maybe I can help you find a niche. I'm a big time golfer, as most of you know, but hopefully a lot of you are coming to this channel for the first time. But I used to be a caddy at Pebble Beach for 15 years before I moved here to Mexico. And the reason why I'm able to live here in Mexico and do whatever the hell I want, I go to the beach 5 days a week, I do whatever, is because of these Shopify and print-on-demand stores that I build. And as I've always stated, this store right now, if I wanted to sell this store, I could sell it for $30,000 right now. I'm not going to do that because it's generating some pretty healthy revenue. But for the most part, guys, this is all passive income. I mean, yes, I respond to emails if I have somebody who said they ordered the wrong thing or it didn't fit or stuff like that. But it's very, very minimal. Very minimal. And I can do that all from my phone. I have the Shopify app on my phone. The app, Facebook ads. I have everything on my phone. So anyway, I get hyped up about this because I just don't understand why people don't do anything. Because it's really not that hard. But I'll shut up. So let me show you what the store has done this year. And again, I did not start promoting the Shopify store until like the middle of May is when I started advertising. So that's why I said in 3 months. Well, it's been 3.5 months, what have you. So let me take you to, we'll just go year to date. And I have no idea. Okay. I lied. It's close to 40,000. It's 39,000, as you can see, $39,000 and some change. Basically 39.5. And you can see here's my next payout. This is a pretty good conversion rate. I would like to have this conversion rate up to about 3%, if I could. Or I will, actually. But let me just show you guys, just real quick, I will show you the actual website, which is terribleatgolf.com, and I don't know why that's coming up like that. One moment. That's because I was actually... And right here, guys, is another Shopify store that I've completely forgot about, and I've had sales with it. It's gotgod.io. I'm getting ready to add a couple more products, and I'm going to launch this again. Everything's already set up. I have my ads, accounts, and all that good stuff set up already. But so guys, in my opinion, this Shopify print-on-demand store is not even that good. In my opinion. Now, I am a perfectionist, but I mean, it's not horrible. But as you can see, guys, half of this stuff I forgot I even made. But I have like 110 products on here. I mean, obviously different variants and stuff like that. But a lot of these designs, as I said in my last video a few weeks ago, I've been making my designs with ChatGPT. And Gemini, and obviously I tweak the designs in Canva. But guys, I'm not a graphic designer by no stretch of the imagination. At least I don't think that I am. Maybe Amy thinks that I am. But anyway, guys, let me just show you. Well, this shirt right here, which I've gotten two reviews on, was 100% created with ChatGPT. And this is I added I added the Play Bad Fast font to it. So this is the back, and this is the front. And guys, I'm selling this shirt for $40, and people are paying for it. Let me show you my other bestseller that I was talking about in the beginning of the video. And guys, I use Printful, and I also use Printify. I haven't used Printify on this Shopify store, but I use Printful. And if you want, guys, I mean, Printful's free. So guys, as soon as you guys get an order in Shopify, it's automatically sent over to Printful, and then Printful, that's when you'll be charged for it, and not until. So again, guys, you're not having to put out any money here. It's almost like drop shipping. It pretty much is, really. But anyway, here's the other shirt that I have sold. I don't even know how many, guys. Can you see this shirt? So I've also made the hat with the same design. And I've sold hundreds of this hat already too. It's absolutely crazy. And I add just, buy the Life is Simple hat and get the tee for 20% off. Just add to cart. And that links it to the shirt. And I can show you guys, step by step, but it would take me a long time to do so. But if you guys want to see how I create all this and make the website and link everything together, I certainly will. But it's not rocket science, and certainly it is not these days, because Shopify has its own Shopify has its own AI. It's so simple to use now, guys. Again, link in the description below for 3 months of Shopify for $1 a month, which is $3. But speaking of AI, Shopify's AI, it's amazing what you guys can do. I don't think it's the best, but it's certainly getting there. But I'm just going to ask, how many Life is Simple product sales have I had to date? Or how many Life is Simple product sales have I had to date? I don't think I worded that very well. I'm not the best at prompting either, guys. I know nothing about AI. And I'll show you in ChatGPT. So look at that, guys. $12,451 from one design. That's pretty good, isn't it? Anyway, guys, I am going to end this video because I went on a rant there. But the only reason I go on a rant is because I know you guys can do this. Trust me, you can do this. If I can sit here naked and do this and make this kind of money, you guys can too. Trust me, you guys can too. What else was I gonna? Oh, I was gonna show you some designs in ChatGPT that I've created. And see, this is part of the design. I was changing it. Instead of having the guy drinking beer, the guy is smoking, you know what. But guys, again, I'm not versed in ChatGPT at all. I mean, look at this one of John Daly that I made. Grip it and rip it. Anyway, guys, it's on and on. But you just got to use your noggin just a little bit. And there's a million videos on how to use ChatGPT correctly. But I'm an example, guys, of how this can work. So I'm going to end the video at that. I am going to make other videos, and I'm going to start including Amy in the videos as well. This is what her new store is going to be called, by the way, For the Girls. So it's just going to be kind of the same thing, like funny t-shirts and hats, but in the golf niche, just for women, just solely for women, which is a good thing because women buy way more than men do when it comes to online purchasing and all that stuff. So she's going to kill it, or I'm going to show her how to kill it, and I'm going to show you guys step by step the process of me making this Shopify print-on-demand store for her. But anyway, guys, I've been good and all that stuff, and I certainly hope that you guys are doing well wherever you are in this crazy place we do call a planet. And I will make a video again soon. Please like the video, comment, subscribe if you are new to this beautiful face. And I will see you guys in the next video. And if you want a specific video, please just comment and let me know, and I will make it. So anyway, I love you all, and I will see you in the next video.